Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Hostinger affiliate program. So first of all, just type right here Hostinger official website. Go to the Hostinger affiliate, right? Okay, and basically go and join in or create an account or log in. And after joining, you will get access to your affiliate dashboard. Find and copy your unique affiliate link. Share your affiliate link on your website, blog, social media, or other platforms, and then use the affiliate dashboard to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings, and you will earn commission for each sale made through your affiliate link. Make sure to follow any specific guidelines provided by Hostinger to ensure your success. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload.